Here's how to use ligatures in Canva. So ligatures are those little kind of weird connector things in your font, and to turn them on, you couldn't do this before, but now you can. So there's an advanced typography feature. If we click on Office Files down here, this font has some ligatures in it, and we can turn those on by going to the Advanced Formatting tab or button in the toolbar. Drop that down, go to the Typography tab, and then here we can turn on ligatures. And so we can click that, it'll turn on ligatures, and if we click off of here, we can now see that we have all these different connectors and ligatures that were added to that text. Now let's take a look here. Can we do this and only do it to certain words by highlighting them? I'm not actually sure. So we're going to take a look. I'm going to highlight Office and see if we can turn on ligatures just for that and not for files. I'm not sure if we can, but let's try it. So we're going to go to Advanced Formatting Typography Ligatures, and we can. So when we click off there, we don't click Change All. That'll change everything and add ligatures everywhere. But if we click off of there, we can actually highlight the letters that we want as well to turn on ligatures only for certain parts of words or certain words, etc. And so now you can see that I only turned it on for the word Office, didn't turn it on for files. And so that's how you can add ligatures and show ligatures and use ligatures and turn on ligatures in Canva.